Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to fix League of Legends error code 0U. So there are like 2-3 methods you can do. So here's the first one. You launch the client and log in, as I did here. Once you're in the right client, you click here top right, go to settings, click to League of Legends, and then click repair and click start repair. Now it will be either quick or like it will take a minute or two. Once done with this, you can try launching League. Now that didn't help. As you can see, it's like repairing files, so it will do that quickly. Once it's done that, try relaunching the game. Now if that doesn't help, you can do is exit out of League, right click on Task Manager, go to Processes, find here Riot, and close Riot Client, delete, leave the Vanguard on, then refresh, and then right click on League of Legends, and then click Run as an administrator. Now, if that doesn't work, the last thing you can try is completely uninstalling League of Legends and all of its components, but for that you need Freewheel Uninstaller. Also, before that, you can check if type in this status.riotgames.com and then go to League and then select your server, and it will say if there are any issues for connection or that sort. So once you confirm that it's not that, I suggest you to get Freewheel Uninstaller, because you get the free one and download it once you're in here, because with it you can delete every backlog, every file that League leaves behind. If you delete it from here, uninstall a program, it leaves the files behind. So in here, once this is done loading, wait a minute, type in League and untick this because restore point, continue. Okay, and then click advanced, and it will search for every single file and backlog and kernel level file that League has left on the system, because what happened probably is some of the files got corrupted or whatnot, so it's not working properly. As you can see, it left a bunch of files behind in old trades and stuff, and so you go select all and then delete all, and that's it. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.